Laura was very excited. Her high school graduation party was in 2 days. She had the perfect dress, a beautiful blue dress with sparkling sequins. She couldn't wait to wear it and dance with her friends. Laura spent hours dreaming about how she would look. She even practiced her dance moves in front of the mirror. The day before the party, Laura decided to try on her dress one last time. She twirled in front of the mirror, imagining how great she would look. But then, disaster struck. As she spun around, she heard a loud rip. Laura froze. She looked down and saw a big tear in her dress. It was right in the middle, making it impossible to hide. "Oh no!" she cried. "What am I going to do?" Laura tried to stay calm. She thought of a plan. First, she called her best friend, Emma. "Emma, my dress is ruined. What should I do?" Laura asked, almost in tears. Emma was always calm and practical. "Don't worry, Laura. We will find a solution. Let's go to the mall." Laura and Emma rushed to the mall. They went to every store, but they couldn't find a dress as beautiful as Laura's blue one. Some dresses were too big, others too small. Some were the wrong colour, and some just didn't feel right. Laura started to lose hope. "Maybe we should try one more store," Emma suggested. Laura sighed but agreed. They entered the last store, and Laura's eyes brightened when she saw a lovely green dress. She tried it on, but it didn't fit quite right. "We are running out of time," Laura said, feeling desperate. Then Emma had an idea. "Let's go to my Aunt Clara's house. She is a great seamstress. Maybe she can fix your dress." Laura was hesitant, but agreed. They quickly went to Aunt Clara's house. Aunt Clara looked at the dress and nodded. "I can fix this," she said confidently. Laura and Emma watched as Aunt Clara worked her magic. She sewed and stitched, adding some new fabric here and there. She even added a few extra sequins to make the dress look more dazzling. After an hour, the dress looked perfect again. "Thank you, Aunt Clara. You saved my graduation party," Laura said, hugging her. Aunt Clara smiled. "I'm happy to help, dear. Just be careful when you dance." The next day, Laura put on her dress. It looked even better than before. She went to the party feeling like a princess. When she arrived, all her friends admired her dress. "You look amazing, Laura," they said. Laura smiled and felt her confidence grow. She had a fantastic time dancing and laughing with her friends. Everyone complimented her on the dress, and she felt like she was in a fairy tale. But the night wasn't without its funny moments. While dancing, Laura accidentally stepped on someone's foot. "Oops, I'm so sorry," she said, laughing. "It's okay, Laura. You're just having too much fun," her friend replied with a smile. Later, she almost knocked over the punch bowl while trying to catch a falling napkin. "Watch out!" shouted Emma, pulling her away just in time. The highlight of the night came when the DJ announced a dance-off. Laura, feeling confident in her fixed dress, decided to join. She and Emma teamed up and performed a hilarious, synchronized dance routine. They mixed silly moves with some of the dances they had practiced at home. Everyone cheered and laughed, and to their surprise, they won the dance-off. As the night went on, Laura's parents arrived to see how things were going. They were proud of her and took many pictures. Her mom, seeing the dress, said, "This looks even better than when we bought it. Did you do something to it?" Laura laughed and explained the whole story. Her parents were relieved and impressed by Aunt Clara's work. Toward the end of the night, there was a moment of reflection. The school principal gave a speech about the student's journey, their achievements, and the bright future ahead. Laura felt a wave of emotions, pride, excitement, and a bit of sadness knowing this chapter was ending. After the speech, there was a slow dance. Laura felt a bit shy, but found herself dancing with a boy from her class, Tom. They laughed about their funny moments in school, shared their plans for the future, and for a moment, everything felt perfect. As the night ended and everyone started to leave, Laura sat down with Emma. "Thank you so much for helping me, Emma. I couldn't have done it without you." Emma grinned. "That's what friends are for. And remember, next time, maybe don't twirl so much in a delicate dress." Laura laughed. "Deal." The next morning, Laura woke up with a big smile on her face. She looked at the dress hanging on her closet door and felt grateful. She decided to write Aunt Clara a thank you note, including a photo from the party. "Dear Aunt Clara, thank you for saving my dress and my night. You are amazing." Laura spent the rest of the day reminiscing about the party, looking through photos, and planning a thank you lunch for Emma. She realized that the night was perfect, not just because of the dress, but because of the support and love from her friends and family. And so, Laura learned that sometimes things don't go as planned, but with a little help from friends and family, everything can work out just fine. The graduation party was a night she would never forget, filled with laughter, fun, and the best friends she could ever ask for.